use of mirror cabinet has always been one of the common household appliances as it offers a range of benefits. Mirror cabinets are mainly used because the ability to save up the bedroom floor space as it is mostly being wall mounted on the wall. Next, other than the mirror feature, the storage on the mirror cabinet to store the essentials can also reduce the amount of clutter in the bedroom. In this group project video, we will be discussing on the design of the mirror cabinets. The main objective of this project is to design a portable mirror cabinet and also maintain the advantages of the mirror cabinets such as the save on space and the reduce of clutter.
For the final conceptual design, our group project has come up with 3 design selections. All of 3 conceptual designs were selected based on their criteria that are compatible with our project title. Design 1 is portable luggage, Design 2 is toilet mirror cabinet, and Design 3 is portable makeup mirror cabinet. The result of the evaluation had given an obvious concept to develop a usable design of portable mirror cabinet system. Portability is the main objective for this project. Handle and wheels from the design mat has shown that it's very portable, that it can go anywhere without having to pack things several times for any occasion. The functionality has been observed through its mirror and the separation of the accessories in the luggage. To measure the cost, standard parts costs are taken. The criterion for the durability is defined from the lifetime of the usage of the system, which is the ability to withstand various pressure and scratch. Although the luggage is small, its inner space of the mirror cabinet luggage is quite spacious for 2 persons for travelling together. The second design are not suitable as they are not portable. Even the idea of portable mirror cabinet is good, it cannot be brought anywhere, while the third design has less durability and effectiveness because it's heavy and too spacious for travelling. From the 3 conceptual existing designs that we have come out, we have decided to choose the conceptual design 1 based on the evaluation table just now. The conceptual design 1 will be chosen and the several modifications were made on it to enhance their abilities and be more convenient. Those designs shown are the front view and the rear view of the final conceptual design. The more detail of the final conceptual design will be explained on CAD and CAM part.
Okay, so now we move to the CAD CAM part. I'm gonna make this end cell between the door and the back. There is an end cell there. We use hydraulic hinge. So now I will show how to make CAD and CAM for this end cell. Right, this is the picture of the end cell. You can see the pictures shown, hydraulic hinge. Okay, for the first one, we're gonna draw the CAD first. Create sketch, select the plane, and then we put the dimension of our end cell is 2 cm, 2 cm against 4 cm. After that, we set the height. We extrude the end cell to 0.5 cm. So here we can see our shape for the end cell, and after that we're gonna make a hole for the end cell. So we need to sketch and then we select plane. So we're gonna draw a circle. We select the center from each box, which is this one, and we select the diameter for the hole is 0.4 cm. Okay, after we finish draw, we select finish sketch, and then we need to make a hole for this circle that we have sketched earlier. So for me, I just extrude and I select the hole. When I select the distance, if going upwards is positive, but I'm going to make it whole, so I put negative 0.5. Oops, 0.5. So as you can see, yeah. Okay, so after we finish sketch our end cell, we will make it to cam. We will now proceed to the cam. So we need to select the manufacturer. Okay, so this is our end cell. The first step is we create new setup, and then select box point here. Okay, that's all, and then press OK. Then for the first step, we use 2D face. Okay, so we need to remove the first layer of the end cell. So we just choose the biggest one. Okay, then we can see stimulate, see if it is success or not. Right, so that one the first step. Close. For the second step, we want to make a 2D contour. We need to remove the side surface of the block. So we choose 2D control and we select the tools. We can select the small one. Okay, this one, 3 millimeters. Select. Then nothing to change. Geometry also nothing to change. Height, I think I need to change the height first. So this one we can lower down. Okay, right. So this one we can do here. Okay, this one need to above for this one. Cannot exceed the level for this with height offset. So for the bottom height, we can check. We can take top height. Then we can select until where our tool is cutting. So we press OK. Oh, sorry, no contour. So we select the contour first. This contour. Okay, so height already selected and also nothing to change. Multiple depth we take 0.01. You can see how our tool is gonna remove the things. So let's stimulate and just play. See, so the tool is moving. And it faster, so we can see the tools is moving the side part of the object. Circle lagging. Okay, settle. Alright, so we finish to remove the side of our end cell. So now we're gonna make a hole for our end cell. We just select drilling, drill, and we select tool. As you guys remember, our diameter for the hole is 0.4 centimeter. We choose drill and we choose the diameter, select equal 0.4 centimeter is equal to 4 millimeter. And next we can select this one, select OK, and then we must select where we must select where is our hole. So we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so nothing to change on height. Nothing. Okay, this one bottom height. We just take the drill tip through bottom. Okay, so you can see we cut all through the end cell. Just press OK, and then we stimulate. Let's see if our hole is get.
And this is the result of a portable mirror cabinet. And for the discussion, as we using the concept of portable mirror cabinet, there are several things that need to be taken care of. Several aspects are analyzed in this project. Portable mirror cabinet can be a medium for people to enjoy their daily life by carrying it without problem. As an aspect of the advantages of the portable mirror cabinet, it can save space for people to bring their daily life cleaning kits. Indeed,
Portable mirror cabinets are a practical and versatile storage solution for your travel. As long as you obtain a portable mirror cabinet, no need to worry of the harsh things you may experience. As hygiene has become part of our daily activities, people can ease of access the cabinet for the essentials they provide. People can store away their essentials such as daily toiletries, cleaning products, accessories, and many more. Portable mirror cabinet can reduce the amount of clutter in travel time while providing a seamless view. And for the suggestion part, as portable are now considered as an alternative thing for people to carry things, a few suggestions have been made in order to maintain the sustainability of this portable mirror cabinet. The manufacturing of the portable mirror cabinet must be ensured to continually preserve, as it becomes one of the most solved problems that have been a problem to people nowadays. People tend to have difficulties in keeping their essentials nowadays. Now, with the design of portable mirror cabinets, people can store their essentials such as daily toiletries, cleaning products, accessories, and other essential things. The selection of the portable mirror cabinet must be selected using the correct material. As for people to use the portable mirror cabinet, it must withstand the temperature and the surrounding diversity. A high quality of material must be used in the manufacturing the product. Furthermore, the materials must be lightweight and easy to handle, as it can give people a perfect handling to carry everywhere as it is in use in travel season. The cost and the maintenance cost must be adapted to the current currency. The cost of the manufacturing of the portable mirror cabinet can be challenging as the design seems complicated. The function of its components need to be detailed in determining the probability cost of the components. Thank you.